Xiaomi has launched a new pro lineup of last year's best-selling smartphone with 18:9 display and iPhone 10-like rear camera design. This is Redmi Note 5 Pro. And before you go ahead and buy this smartphone for the way it looks, here are 7 things you should know before buying. With that being said, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. Starting off with its design, the Redmi Note 5 Pro comes with a metal unibody design, giving out a premium in-hand feel to it. The tapered edges on the smartphone makes it aesthetically pleasing, and no denying, it mimics iPhone 10-like camera design, but it includes a headphone jack Apple. Well, at the bottom it has micro USB port, speaker grills, and a standard audio jack. At the side it has SIM slot. On other side it has volume rockers and power button, and at the top it has secondary noise cancellation and IR blaster. Moving on to the display, the Redmi Note 5 Pro comes with a 5.99-inch Full HD 18:9 display, which looks pretty good. The contrast and color accuracy of this display stands out really well, which can easily take on brighter daylight. Now let's jump on to internals. The Redmi Note 5 Pro is slightly different to that of Redmi Note 5. The Pro variant of Note 5 is powered by Snapdragon 636, coupled with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of expandable storage, which turns to give out a great user experience. The Note 5 Pro takes on apps and games with buttery smooth experience with next to no hiccups. Apart from that, it runs on MIUI 9 on top of Android Nougat and is backed by 4000 mAh battery, which is really great. The camera on the Redmi Note 5 Pro looks really good with the iPhone 10-like rear design. It sports dual rear camera, one with 12 megapixel sensor and other with a 5 megapixel sensor, and a 20 megapixel selfie shooter with flash. Ignore the portrait mode and dual flash. The pictures from the Note 5 Pro didn't surprise me much. Well, the pictures came out pretty similar to that of Redmi Note 5, with sharp and color popping in daylight and a slightly noisy in low light. Do look out for a full review though. Although it can shoot 4K, but much like Note 4 and Note 5, the lack of EIS or OIS kills the stabilization of the video. Vote if you guys want a dedicated camera review of the smartphone, or let me know in the comment section below. Now coming to storage, RAM management and battery life. Out of 64 gigs of storage, you'll get to use around 50 gigs. And coming to the memory management, out of 4 gigs of RAM, you'll get to use approximately around 3.7 gigs. And coming to the battery life, the unchanged 4000 mAh battery does a pretty good job there. So what's the downside of the smartphone? Well, if you ignore the functionality of portrait mode, which works really well in this case, clearly, or at least for me as of now, the dual rear camera seems to be a gimmick, or maybe I need some more time to test it out. So watch out for that video. Secondly, there is no USB-C on the smartphone, which is a big letdown. Come on Xiaomi. So to the end of this video, what's the conclusion? Well, the Note 5 Pro is an upgraded version of Redmi Note 5 in terms of chipset and the camera. Apart from that, there is not much of a change or difference in the Pro variant of Redmi Note 5. The pricing of the smartphone will be a good determinant for sure. Check out the description for the pricing details. Oh yeah, if you're confused between Note 5 and Note 5 Pro, I've done a video on Redmi Note 5. Check out the card above or link in the description. Either way, what do you guys think about this device? Are you going for one, or if you want to ask or clarify anything, let me know in the comment section below, and for more tech related news and coverage, check out our website, card above. So yeah, that's been it. Hope you guys enjoyed and found this video useful, and if you did, you know what to do. Like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. This has been Atish from TechDipper, signing off. Thanks for watching.